Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the Work Anniversaries template and explore its contents. To install Work Anniversaries, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage and contents. Using this template, keep track of employee work years and celebrate anniversary milestones. When ready, select Install. Once a template has been installed, head to the Models section from Admin Home. Locate and select the person model. The template adds 3 key work anniversary workflows to this model. Nudge Manager of upcoming work anniversary 1 week before triggers 7 days before the next anniversary date property value is reached. When the workflow is triggered, the employee's manager receives a notification email. As a manager, select See More from the email. This opens the notification in a modal window on the platform. View More opens the employee's profile in a modal window. The next workflow is On the Day Work Anniversary nudges to employee and manager and award anniversary badges. This triggers when the next anniversary date property value is reached. The workflow is configured to send a celebratory email to the employee and manager, and award a badge to the employee's profile page. Before triggering the workflow, you should create badge items using the functionality from the Badge Cabinet template. Check the names of your badges match the names configured for the Retrieve Information and Create Instance actions in the workflow. Anniversary paths have been created for 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 and 15 year celebrations. However, in this example, we've created badges for 1, 2 and 3 only. We designed these in Adobe Illustrator. The notification email sent to the employee congratulates them and prompts them to check out their new badge. By following the links, the employee can view their new badge on their profile page modal window. This is what the manager's email looks like. The links direct the manager to the employee's profile page where they can also see the badge. The final workflow of the template is Increment Years of Experience for Work Anniversaries. The workflow triggers when the next anniversary date property value is reached. When this happens, 1 additional year is added to the Work Anniversary year's property value. To illustrate this change, we've added a detail block to the employee's profile page. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.